Hello guys, I'm sorry for my absence. I was a little sick and making video was difficult for me. But today I will show you how to use a scroll view in Unity. But before this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It's very important for me. Here we go! Firstly, let's create a canvas and panel and set color. It is our background. Then click on the right mouse button, choose UI and click on the scroll view. Go to content and set the border of it how you need before I add something to this. In the video I've done it the other way around. Sorry. Then, add to content a new panel and choose a sprite. I've downloaded this UI set from Unity Asset Store. If you need it, you can download this from the link in the description. Okay, if you don't like scroll bars Hawaii, you can remove them or delete. Let's fill our panel with something. In panel, create component grid layer grow. Then create some image for this. Oh, I forgot to set our grow. Go to panel and do this. You can choose the location of the content in the grow, the size of the cells, and the distance between them and between the borders. Okay, choose something sprite for images. This is B. Okay, go to check our work. How you see, you can move content on the horizontal and on the vertical. For the movement on the horizontal or the vertical axis, go to our parent object and on the component scroll rect find the horizontal and vertical. Turn on or turn off what you need. Let's turn off the horizontal. You'll see we can't move it on the horizontal axis. For example, let's create the movement only on the horizontal. You can also set to scroll. On the component scroll rect, you can choose the movement type. Climb pad moves strictly on the border of your content. Elastic stretches the content a bit like a rubber band. I used this before. And last, unstricted makes the content endlessly. And honestly speaking, I don't understand for what it's used. Also, for elastic, you can set plastically and inertia. That is all. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have some questions, you can always write them to the comments. See you in the next video.